process to like close it? Because they always ask. So when they keep asking, what's this for again? What do you?
When you get into the house,
Yeah.
so your booking script isn't good. You're not telling them what it's for on the phone. To the point, and also they're asking like right when you walk in, or are you telling them, do you remember what I'm here for?
Okay.
No, that's a question.
Oh. No.
No what?
No, I don't tell them that.
Okay, so you just walk in and they say, what are you here for?
I mean, when I get to the house, I let them know we spoke on the phone about the final expense information. We're gonna drop it off, shoes on her off.
And they still ask you, what are you here for?
Yeah, when I'm in the house.
Okay, and what do you say? Final expenses, and
yeah,
then
I just repeat what I said.
and then they kick you out after, or they just keep listening?
They keep listening, but then eventually they get to a point where like, oh, not interested, or my sister handles my expenses, or something like that.
Sure, it's not smoke screens. Like, are you still asking them questions after that? Like, what do you ask them after they say that?
What do I ask them after?
So my sister handles that. What's your response?
Is your sister around, or is there a reason we have to get in contact?
What does your sister handle?
Usually the banking information.
So she pays all your bills?
I think that's what it means essentially.
You say you think. This is a question I'm asking now.
I think
Does she pay all your? Hey Tiger, does she pay all your bills, or do you can't buy anything without her? Do you swipe your debit card, or does she swipe her debit card? I mean your debit card for you, like.
Okay.
Because he's gonna be smoke screening. He already thinks you're trying to sell him something, so he's automatically, oh, I don't have my bank, my I can't pay for anything because my sister handles that. Whole time he's fucking lying. You don't know if you don't ask questions. So like, what do you ask? Like, what after you say that? What do you ask after that?
Like, what do you mean by like? You said what I asked after that?
There is no dumb question.
There's no dumb questions. What are you saying right after they say that?
I was gonna say what?
My sister handles this. I don't have whatever.
I think I freeze up right here. Not gonna lie.
So you just fucking walk out?
No. I keep the conversation going, but I bring like something external into the conversation.
That has nothing to do with fucking building Y?
Yeah, just to keep my brain thinking. Because I don't want to just freeze up and just.
Well, extra words don't make meaning.
Right.
So you're just saying, all right, see you later. Bye bye.
See you later.
Yeah, see you later. This is what the fuck you're doing? Like what are you doing? I gotta know what you're doing, bro. Are you walking the fuck out? You're like, oh, all right, cool, got it. I'm not fucking out of here? Like, what are you doing, bro?
Okay, I'm gonna feed off of his question.
Okay.
Like, when I'm in a house and he knows this, like, if somebody gives me $3, I'm out. Like, if I
Why?
can't get something, if I can't get the information to them, and he's recently told me not to do that, like, I don't know how to keep going from there. Like, I'll get the information to them.
Keep asking the same question in different ways.
Okay.
So I don't know what you're asking, but you keep asking the question in different ways. If I got 3 no's, I wouldn't do 40K a month. And left. Like if I kept getting I got told 8 times, but a different way I structured it.
Oh, no.
Now eventually there are some points,
House.
like it's the same question. I mean, you ask 3 different questions and they're saying no.
Yeah.
So what is a no to?
Like, can I put you in, can I at least get you a quote? No, but you put in the request. No, I didn't. You let
Why are
me
you
know
asking-
today.
Those-
No, I didn't.
Those are the 3 no's.
Yeah, well, there's more than that, but that's what they'll give me, and like, I don't know how to push.
So you turn
past that.
away. When are you asking them? Can I give you a quote at the door or inside the house?
In the house, after they already know what I'm there for, it's established.
What is your in-home process when you sit down?
When I sit down, I pull out my worksheet. I start
Whoa.
talking to them normally. Well, I let them know. First, I ask them, what are they looking for? Why would they want it? They'll give me well, I have a kid.
Okay.
I want to leave. They have one, like, this is something I've been getting. I already have one that covers expenses, but I want to leave them a little something. So
Okay.
I'll go with, okay, what are you looking to leave them? And then we'll go by numbers, and I'll start working on the worksheet. But as soon as I get to actually turn to either America or whatever company I'm working with,
So why are they leaving money behind?
that's what I can't figure out. I don't know how to get past that.
Are you asking that?
Because you're getting past
Anthony.
it. You're moving past it without it.
Really?
Yeah. Because
Are you asking them what they're doing with the money? Like why do they want to leave money behind? Are you asking them that?
Yeah, no, yeah.
So give me a response. Like you've heard.
Yeah, like, but if I ask them why are they doing it, they'll say, like, one person, for real, she went and said, well, I have 5 kids, but my youngest doesn't work properly. And I'm scared for him, so I want to leave him just something, not too much that he gets comfortable, but something that can just keep him going.
So what's your response after that?
I said, okay, we can work on that. Let me see what I can do, and then I'll get there.
What do you see that money doing for your son's life?
That's the question.
You're
What-
moving
what-
on. You saying that's not moving on.
What do you see that changing in your son's life? What do you see him doing with that money the day you pass away? If you whatever you believe in, if you could watch from heaven, God, whatever you believe in, you could watch that money go to him. What is he going to do with that money? He can pay off this. He can pay off that. You get something to start pouring out of you, and then all they get emotional too because they fucking are picturing it when they're talking about it. Because you made them picture by saying if you could watch it, I don't care if you can, but if you could watch it, whatever you believe in, and you see them do something with the money, what are they going to do with it? Well, they're going to go pay off the college debt. They won't pay off the car. They're about to get evicted right now. So if I was to pass away, they can pay off whatever debts they owe, whatever it is. Something like that, you start pulling out of them. Then you start getting deeper and deeper into it. So you get deeper with it, start building value of it. And plus, and you said they already have a policy?
Mm-hmm.
How much coverage do they have?
They have 25. I already talked about that.
So they have $25,000.
They
What is the $25,000 for?
cremation, and then the expenses for this woman she just wanted it done real nice. She wanted to be shown first, then she wanted cremation, and then she wanted whoever took her ashes to go take her where she was from in Vegas and scatter. So that was where.
So Miss Betty, since you have all this set up and it sounds like you're in good shape, what more are you looking for?
Right.
And for why? Just my simple best questions. And usually they'll tell you, well, I was looking for this, which she's the same lady who wanted to leave her grandson or her son money. Mm-hmm. So yeah, you just ask those questions, you pull it out of her. Then you can go like I told on the Zoom, I like to have 2 fucking exits or 2 routes. For me, it's 2 routes, and I always can have a response. I don't like to ask questions where I can't fucking answer it. So I always have 2 different routes, and I ask one question that can only be this answer or this answer, and I have my fucking routes to figure it out, and they all lead back to the same fucking top for me. So I'll ask it's weird to structure, but once you start learning, like somebody on a fucking Zoom, I think it was Zach or somebody asked a question to no, it was fucking Joe. He asked a question. And they give him a different answer he wasn't expecting, and he did not know what to say. So I was like, bro, why are you asking questions if you don't know what to say? But also where practicing your script and like perfecting your craft comes in at nighttime. Like late at nighttime, I'm fucking thinking about shit like that. So and then you start, well, if I ask this, they can only say these 2 answers, yes or no, or this or that. And then you perfect. Okay, if they say this, I say that. If they say this part, I say this exit. And it's all a fucking roundabout, I guess. I don't fucking know. Fucking there. So if you do that, depending on her answer, you ask questions that where you can get an answer and you know what to say after that. You know it's gonna take time because you're still new, but you're like that can lead to this, which leads to that, which leads to this, which leads to that. You know what I mean? That's how I do it. That's how I structure all my homes. 2 routes. They can only give me 2 answers, yes or no, basically.
Right. Or
if I ask, what are you looking for, burial or cremation? Got 2 routes. What do I do with the money? Leave it behind, or I don't want to leave any behind. 2 routes. It's like those 2 questions, you got to structure it. If you don't know a fucking answer, don't ask it until you learn to study at nighttime in your fucking bed to solve an answer. Or if you ask a question, and this is where you get practice at, they have a response, you don't know what the fuck to say, and you couldn't close that deal. You go the fuck home and you're like, all right, I asked this and this either did not click or it clicked. I didn't know what to say. What should I say next time? And then you have like the common denominator because you're gonna notice you have like 5 or 6 same responses from people, maybe in different words, but it's the same shit. For you.
Like virtually the same.
Yeah.
Just like different scenarios, but the same.
Yeah.
Works.
Anything else? You gotta have something else. You see more people than Tiger.
You also don't want to ask questions you don't know the answer to directly. Like he's not asking questions that he's gonna have to like think on his feet.
That's what the whole route can come from. Yeah, the whole 2 routes. Don't ask if you don't have an answer, don't ask a question. Tiger, got anything else? You gotta have something, bro.
When their tone starts getting like uppity or aggressive in a certain way, how do you handle that situation?
When their tone is
Like if they're like, no, we're already covered. You done enough here to send the third.
you're sitting down by the chair.
Yeah,
All right, that's fine.
that's all I say.
I don't care. They let you in the house.
Mm-hmm.
They sat you down at the table. Like, are you getting like defensive? Are you getting like reactive? Are you getting scared? I'm just like, all right, that's fine. Well, what was that for? What's covered? My funeral expenses. All right, dope. What about the things outside of that? What things? Have you known anybody who ever passed away? They typically say yeah. I'm like, have you ever heard stories about they didn't have enough money? Yeah. All right. You understand that final expenses covers everything. This isn't just burial insurance. I'm not selling you a burial policy. This is final expenses. We're covering everything. Then it's like, okay, so let's say they said they had everything covered. Oh, I paid for my cremation in full. Dope. What are you doing with this house? Do you own it? Do you rent? I rent it. When you, God forbid, you pass away yesterday, who's cleaning out this house to get rid of the rent? My daughter. Where does she live? New York. She has to fly down here, take time off of work. Bereavement pay only lasts so long. Is she gonna move all this out by her fucking self? She's a girl too. She's married. Then I find out she's married. She has grandkids. All that shit leads one way. But then I'm like, all right, so she's married. Is the husband gonna get time off of work too, or is he gonna be working, paying all the bills? He's still work. All right, so who's gonna pay for the movers? Because he's up north, he ain't helping move out. I don't know. Well, you understand that costs money too. You understand there's also other fees outside of the cremation. You may have paid for it in full, but they're gonna be whatever taxes. The funeral homes are different. It's not an insurance policy, it's taxed. So like, you know, the other fees outside of that. Have you ever heard stories about that? I just lead it different ways. I just keep asking the fucking questions to me. You just keep asking questions, you will find a fucking lead point. That's why for me, the 3 no's isn't enough for me, because I'm gonna keep asking questions until I literally cannot. Like I'm like, damn. For you would think you're done, but there's probably 5 more questions to put your ass. Something that I would do if I was you, if you think you tried your hardest or you're building enough value, ask like 3 more questions to really figure it out. So before you leave a house, I would ask 3 more extra questions, just in case if there's actually something there you don't know about. What else? You got half more. You're at $0, brother. You gotta have something.
No, you're definitely right.
It can be anything, bro. I don't care. Anything. I don't care if it's about a door knock. I don't care if it's about how you stand at the door. I don't care. Because you were door knocking, right?
Yeah, I was all day yesterday, bro.
So when I door knock, I don't know what you're doing. I don't care how my iPad, I don't care how my phone. Use my phone, for example. How are you knocking? That matters too.
Okay.
Do you get a lot of answers at the door when you knock? Or no?
Some of them do.
So like I knock like this. Make a fucking beat.
That's how you knock.
Fuck yeah. And I'm standing, look at the blinds, look at the peephole, like, hey,
Window.
just in case if they are home, like, fuck, he sees me, then I'll stand there. And, like, I've learned because door-to-door people don't look at the door because they don't want to scare them. So they look down at their phones and shit. I don't do that because they think I'm a fucking door knocker now. Because you see, if you watch video on the TikTok, bro, they all look away. They ain't doing shit. I'm like, yo, I'm here for a reason. I look more like I'm here.
Right.
So I do that. I'll wait like a minute or two. If they don't come to the door. Then I do what's called like the police knock. I'll fucking... Like, my fucking knuckles are from that shit. I'll make that shit hurt. Then if I have a doorbell, I'll ring the doorbell 2 times. Like, I fucking ignore them. Like, I want them to be so annoyed. And then when they come out, however they come out, I don't care. I'm a little lean back like this. I'm like, Miss Betty? She's like, yeah. What do you want? I'm like, yeah. And I walk up. I'm like, yeah, you sent this request in for the final expense info. My name is Javanni. I'm local around here. They only sent me out here because you never pick up the phone. Your phone number is X, Y, and Z? Yeah? All right, cool. I just had to go over this final expense info that you requested. I go by appointment-based only. I have a few minutes now. You want to sit inside or outside? Walk up, wipe my fucking feet off the fucking mat, see what they say. I want them to, like, push me out of the way to say no. I don't want them to stand there and you not walk it up. Now you're both fucking awkward. Right. Also, different thing. Plus, depending on how you're standing, bro, you're a black man. You got some hair. Right. If you're in a white neighborhood, you just gotta be more careful of it. Like stand back, have a little distance, lean back, don't walk up too close. And I haven't seen you, well, I've seen your outfit. Your outfit looks fine. So for me, it's like a little lean back, a little walk in, be cordial with them. If you notice that they're real short, like it's a short old lady, white lady who's short as fuck, bro, I squat the fuck down. I'm like, hey, you sent this request in because I'm not tall, but if I'm fucking taller than her, she's fucking 4'10". Right. So I want to get to her height because she has to look up, and a white lady with a black man with some dreads, whew. Oof.
That's scary.
And now you know my name, my address, and you're at my house. I don't know if she's like, I don't know if you have people running the backyard from her right now. You know what I'm saying? People think that shit too. So you have to be like, learn your demeanor means a lot for you. That's for a door knock. What do you, like when you walk into a house, what are you doing? Like the moment you get in the house, what are you doing?
I asked them, it's like, where can I sit?
Why are you asking?
Why are you asking? Yeah.
You're right. Tell
Yeah, it's your show.
No. Yeah, so like, I look around, I see a table. I'm like, all right, let's go and sit at this table right here. Sit down. I sit down first. I don't care, bro. When I walk into, I don't know how y'all walk in. I'm the first one in the fucking house. They're still fucking behind me closing the fucking door, and I'm walking in like I fucking own this bitch, bro. I'm like, oh, here, right there. Here, put some ass fuck down, and they're still fucking walking up, and I'm in their fucking house like I'm fucking been there before. So that already takes control. I know Anthony likes to ask him to grab them water to take control because you're making them do something for you. I don't do that part, but I do the whole table shit. That's my control. I just don't like their fucking water, so I don't fucking want to ask them for it. Or like they give me like because my most scariest part is when they fucking hand me a cup. I'm like, bro, I'm not drinking that shit. What the fuck am I? I'm not drinking it. So now I feel bad because like if you're there for an hour, they're staring at the fucking water because that costs them money. Like, yo, that came from my sink. That's my water bill. Like. So you gotta drink it. I don't fucking drink it, so I don't ask that. But you gotta find a way where you start to gain control. And I heard him earlier telling you, cause I say all the time, if you will work jobs their whole entire life. So like for you in a house, like saying, here's what we're going to do today, here's what's going to happen, they listen a lot more better with that versus asking them. So like, let's say have you got down to the banking info yet at all?
That's the part that I can't get over.
So what can you not get over?
Usually when we get to that part, they always do a smoke screen, like we were saying before. Like someone else runs their account, or they start looking a bit confused because they're like, "This is a scam."
So you didn't do your job in the beginning right, and you did not set the expectations right.
Okay.
You have to set the fucking floor. So you have to be like, you have to build the value to get them emotional first. If you don't build value, you're not emotional.
By asking the questions, right?
Building the why.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a why built, and they're fucking like, and then you go out to the worksheet, you start asking them about their fucking age, finances, who do you bank with? They're gonna stop you right there for fact. Why does that matter?
I mean, I typically ask for the bank information once the sheet's filled out.
But remember, the sheet doesn't fucking matter if the why's not built. The same way you told me, oh, well, I filled the worksheet out. Then I asked you what was her why or his why. You couldn't tell me. Bro, I can walk in the house and do a fucking worksheet. Hey, my job is so simple. I just do this worksheet. I'm out of here.
Okay.
I fill it out. For you got to get them emotional first to pull it out of them.
Okay.
You better ask something. You look like it. Or you're just thinking.
No.
Okay. So you pull it out of them. Then you set the expectations. Hey, what happens next is I'm going to go over a quick suitability form, obviously to make sure that you're suitable for insurance. I'm going to ask you personal questions, health questions, and finance questions. I ask these questions because the application is going to need it, and I need to verify your income to find you the best discounts and benefits, and find something that fits your needs in your budget. All right. So what happens is I go through all that. After I do all that, I put it in the computer, or I call my manager. It spits me back companies that should pre-approve you. You won't get pre-approved. I don't know yet. We still have to apply for the application to make sure you're pre-approved. After that, we're going to submit the application, set up your payment information for everything, and then your first draft is in 24 to 48 hours. I continue on. Is there anything stopping you today from submitting the pre-approved application if it can get you approved and it fits your needs and your budget? Yes or no? No. Now you beat the objections that you would have got at the end. Then they were asked, why do you need my bank info? Or like, why are you going to ask me finance questions? You get all that before you get on the worksheet because you just told them why you're asking it. You beat all that. So now you should stop it. Then it should be the only time you get an objection typically, which you shouldn't even get it. But like, if you're doing a worksheet, it should be when you show numbers is where most people get it at. And it's like, oh, okay, I want to do that one. I want to think about it. That's where you fucked up in the beginning. But you should not be getting an objection on the worksheet already. You should have got that in the beginning. You should have beat it there so you can do the full worksheet for you. But yeah, asking straight out the gate, bro, you got to get an emotional first.
Okay. So sell off their emotion, basically.
It's emotional sell.
Every sale is usually emotional. Most 99%.
There's only a few that are logic.
Okay.
Like it's you got to build the emotional value of it. Plus, it's life insurance, bro. They do not fucking touch it. They're buying an imaginary product. Fucking imagine. It's not a security system, bro. They don't get to see it. They ain't hooking it up. They get a fucking policy. So they're paying for something that's invisible. So they have to be emotional at the time to buy it. Like, if you can't make them emotional, you can't sell them. Unless you just get a lucky laydown. Which you have to see enough people, which is more than fucking 4 people a day.
Yeah, you damn sure ain't lying.
Four people a day, bro. The shittiest salesperson can make one fucking sale. So you sat with 3, right? Yesterday or the other day?
Yeah.
All you need was one more sit down.
Okay.
Typically, it's how it works. The numbers work 1 out of every 4 you'll fucking sell by accident in the field. Telesales is a little different. Telesales will probably do like 8 or 9 presentations. But in the field, somebody will pass you a check. You'll find you an old black lady who just loves you, who thinks you're so sweet because you're 19 years old doing insurance, and she just wants to buy from you because she wants to buy from you. That's who you're looking for in the beginning. But you have to see enough people to actually do that.
Yeah.
So why are you asking for the same dollar amount for higher coverage? Something in the budget right now, because I'm beating the objection. Because now if I show 15, because they it's the same coverage, and 20, and they say that, and you don't ask that question, they expect this and this to be the fucking same. Well, that makes you look fucking bad. Because why would you show that for 10K for $100 a month and the same 15K? At that point, you should put 10K, 15K at the bottom. So you never show three numbers at once.
No.
Got it. Tiger, if you were to show somebody numbers right now today, the box looks like this. When we show numbers, it looks just like this. How would you write it?
I would start the highest first, bring it way down to the bottom.
All right, so walk me through how you write it. If it's 10, 15, 20, what are you doing? If it's for a burial, what are you writing down?
From 20.
Up top?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So how are you writing it?
Just
Just what?
20,
20?
column 000.
Okay. Any money signs or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So this box 1. Same thing for 15 and 10, let's say?
Yeah.
Dope. All right. When you show the, I want you to say this first. When you show the dollar amount, how are you writing it out? Like that?
Writing it just like that, yeah.
All right. How would you write it out?
Like that with a money sign.
Okay, I like that. So, $100. All right. You might be so fucking retarded, y'all. This is what I do. Might be the dumbest thing in the fucking world, but I feel like it helps. When I show numbers, because to me it's all fucking mind game, and it ain't tricking them. It's the same shit. It's the same reason why fucking McDonald's and shit, they have certain colors on their fucking boards to attract you and shit. Got my little fucking stupid box. You got 3 numbers. It's supposed to be bronze, silver, gold, whatever the fuck. I don't do all that shit. So when I write, so I do this. I go, if it's a burial, I'll go 10,000. Long as fuck. 20,000. Fucking 30,000.
It looks more appealing with all the
Hold on, I ain't done yet though. Then, at the very tippity top, the max you can qualify. Hey, this program gives you $50,000 per policy on this one. Okay? I show them that first. Then I go, the $10,000 is only $100 a month. Small as fuck versus a big. This one is only $150. This one's only $200. All right, I make it way smaller. This is way bigger, and then I go. I have to show you the max you qualify for. I don't think you should do it, but it's letting you know $50,000 for you at your age right now is $550 a month. Only $550 a month. Which one to you best fits your needs and your budget today? I show them this for one because I like to show them max, so you'd be surprised who will pick it, or who will say what's $45,000 instead. Plus, this looks way fucking bigger than these, and these look way fucking smaller. So $100 versus $500, they're like, I'll just take the fucking $100. Looks way cheaper. And also, I like to only show what would get in $1,000 AP. And I'm making them go lower. So I only show like $84 a month minimum. All the time. Even if they want a cremation, I'm showing fucking $15,000. I don't care. It's cover this, cover, but I'll also put in the value where I'm like, all right, leave some money behind. It's rare for me not to leave money behind. Or it's rare for me not to sell the whole inflation thing. Like, cremation today costs $5,000. A cremation in fucking 10 years when you're 75 is gonna cost $20,000 probably. Or five more thousand, whatever it is. Yeah, whatever the fuck, man, I don't give a fuck. All right, and then so I just do it like that. They have that. And then I show like, I think it's like 80, I show like my bottom tier is $85 even. Minimum. And I make them say I can't afford that and go lower. Which is more rare than not. The only time I will not do that is if in the beginning, I've already beat it. They've talked about like my budget. Like I want to buy insurance so bad, Javanni, but I cannot fucking afford more than $50 a month. Like and they're begging me saying I can't, I would buy it, I want to buy it today if it's less than $50 a month. Or some stupid shit like that. Then I'm like, all right, I'm not going to bother it. I'll still show these, but I'll show their fucking bottom barrel $50 a month. But I'm still showing high numbers too. So that's how I get like a higher AP for me. I show the fucking $85 to at least average $1,000 per deal, and I show them the fucking 50 grand because people be, because like what is it? Abe still asked me. He goes, bro, I feel like you always find a big ass fucking deal. That motherfucker is why. I just show the max, and then they make me go to 40,000. Cause for like if I'm doing a burial, I'll probably do 10, 15, 25. I wouldn't have 30. They're like, what's 30? Well, $550, $200 look way fucking better. It'll look a bigger discount. Because now it's close to $200 a month deal. That's why I do that for a higher AP. Simple fucking shit, but it works because it looks way fucking cheaper. Somebody give me something. Come on.
I'm guessing this comes up once you go on the website.
What website?
Like you see this at?
The numbers you're talking about?
Yeah, like
The numbers come at the end of the worksheet.
options, like the options.
Yeah, at the end of the worksheet. The worksheet walks you fucking through it, bro.
I think he's using the one I use.
It's still at the bottom, right?
Yes, I have two of them too, just in case.
It's right there, bro. You just pass it. Go back. Go. Where you going, brother?
Sorry.
Go back to notability, bro. No, what do you do? Yeah. Use on the notability. Scroll down to the bottom.
Let me see it.
Scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom. Scroll to the bottom. Keep going.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Right there, brother.
Oh, right here. Okay.
Yep. That's where you heard the quotes at.
I didn't get this far down. That's why I
Yeah.
see it.
Which you haven't yet. It's fine. But don't worry about. I wouldn't worry about that. I would not worry about that until you get the show numbers, brother.
What I do, I just lock it.
Oh,
and I'm right. You're overthinking it, bro.
right.
That's a good question.
What's the limit for
somewhere
what?
Earlier in the conversation.
Hold on. What's the limit for what?
Like how much their maximum they're willing to spend.
They're gonna fucking lie to you. I'm a salesperson. If somebody asks me, "Hey, you want this AMG right here?" I go, "Yeah." They go, "What's your max you're gonna spend? $300 a month." Knowing I know my brand's probably gonna be $1,000 a month. I'm like $300 a month. Make it work, dude. They're like, "Oh, a smart so."
Now going from the information I had to the information I have now, what should I expect?
Okay, well, look. The finance fucking questions. Hey, I make fucking $1,200, and you should. I think it's on the worksheet on his. I make $1,200 a month. My question, I don't know if it's on his. I go, what's your bills a month? What is your average bills a month? All right, cool. So you spend $1,000 a month total across the fucking board. Now in your brain, you know, you have $200 a month. And then it's like, all right, this should be important to them. So it's like, all right, you know they want to cover a burial. They can't tell you that if they said their max is $50 a month because you asked it, you're like, no the fuck it's not. Because you want to cover a fucking burial and you want to fly to fucking New Jersey. What the fuck is $50 gonna get you? The fuck are we talking about? Let's be fucking straight for real here. So it's like, if you're not doing the finance question, you cannot fucking assume me. You can't tell the numbers. Even then, I feel like motherfuckers lie to me about how much they fucking make.
They do.
I feel like they lie to me. I feel like it's $1,200, probably $1,400 in my brain. So if they have $200 left over, I believe they probably have $300. I don't know. Now there are some people who are fucking super duper poor, which I get. Like some people don't lie for about it. But it's like you do this part, you kind of know how to structure it. And like I'm not going to take the fucking $200 a month. I'm not going to fucking do that. And like where it's important where if I show $200 a month and they pick it, I'm like whoa. I'm like that's all you got left over. I'm like, what if your fucking car tire pops? Are you gonna cut through this first, and then you get? Oh well, no, I usually have like $500 left over. You're like, you motherfucker. Or they'll go fucking lower. You know it's real. So like if somebody picks like $200 a month for the policy, I don't have too much left over. I talk them down. I reduce fucking and I beg them to go down. Like they have to beg me why they should spend $200 a month for me to write it. They have to beg me, and I'm like, no, just go with this middle number, 120. Do it go with the 120. Hey, let's go to 1 to 4 payments. I'll call you back in a few months. See how that's feeling for you every single month, and we can raise it to the $200 if you feel like it's comfortable. Like I talk them the fuck down. I don't care. So yeah, and if you ask them what their budget is, the only time I ask that is when they go, I can barely afford the insurance. I'm like, and I still wait, but I'm like, and wait till you can barely like. This is where I don't want to waste my time. If they go, I can only afford $10 a month in the beginning. Well, yeah, but no, I still ask questions. I'm like, what do you mean $10 a month? How much you make? X, Y, Z. Why only $10? But then I'm like not in there for an hour. Do the whole fucking why building, do the whole fucking worksheet. They can only afford $10, and you show them $50. They're like, fuck no. So that's the only time I was asking if they're begging me like I cannot afford any insurance, or it's too expensive, or they'll be like, I can only afford a little bit of insurance. This has been too expensive. I'm like, what's too expensive for you? My question. They're like $50. No, they're like $20 a month. I'm like, whew. How old are you again? 70. It smells like fucking Newports in here. You smoke cigarettes too? Yeah. Oof. We want to bury you too? Yeah. Oof. Whoa. Shawty, we fucking triple times this fucking $20 a month. What do you expect?
Right.
So like that's the only time I will ask them what's the budget. Callie, you said you had questions. What is it? What?
The finance stuff. I struggled with that at first with asking their budget because I thought that was my way into it. After getting their something in the budget.
That's where I was at. I
Too
swear the
logical.
last.
Yeah,
Too
too
logical.
logical. I was getting like
What was it?
The washer.
$20, $30, $40, $50 apps. It was so stupid. And then I stopped doing it.
Yeah, I mean, $45 app is good too, but if you're not closing a fucking $1,000 app,
At least.
Yeah.
Okay.
my dad always told me this in insurance. If you're selling cremation policies every fucking day in life insurance, you won't ever make money. You will never make money if you're only selling cremation policy, which is like $50 a month. If you're not selling $100 a month, $200 a month every blue moon, or burial policies, or leaving legacy behind, which also comes to you fucking asking the questions of what to leave money behind.
This is the question we've been asking ourselves. It's like me, James is getting his. Anthony knows this. He's getting his license. He's gonna be doing this too. I gave up everything to do this, and like I'm making money, but I'm not making the money I want. And we keep looking at y'all's numbers, and we're like, what's the difference? What they're doing than what we're doing? You just
Asking
made
more
it
questions.
all clear as day.
Ask more questions. I ask questions that maybe they don't think about sometimes.
You know what?
Huh.
If there was another 2 or 3 of us, that were better than us,
Right.
we'd be plugging into them nonstop.
And it's like, please don't talk to anybody at the fucking bottom of the fucking leaderboard every week.
Because it's not doing.
I snapped on her for talking to people who were at the bottom of the fucking leaderboard just because she's new and wanted to connect with people who are struggling too. I'm like, why the fuck do you want to talk to somebody who's struggling? You guys are fucking talking negative to her. Like, I don't care if you say if I say it, but she said something like the lines like, do you ever feel like you're not good enough for some shit with insurance, whatever? Of course the motherfucker who does $1,500 a week feels like he's not fucking good enough. When you do $7,000 average or $5,000, of course. So if you feel that bad, imagine how he feels doing $1,500 a week. Right. So if you connect with someone on the leaderboard, just look at the leaderboard. If they're every day at the fucking bottom.
The leaderboard is what's giving us that motivation, but then now this is.
But don't be confused too, because do you know how like the pay works? And okay, what do you spend a month on leads?
On leave. So far I'm at, Anthony, what am I at? 2,500?
All right, watch.
Yeah.
Let's just say this is why writing $20,000 does not fucking work. $20,000.
I want 60 grand.
But watch, $20,000 times your 75% advance times 100% comp. You take home 15,000. Hit your bank with no charge, no nothing. Hit your bank, $15,000. Now you already at how much you said?
What do you mean?
How much on leads have you spent
25.
in the last 2 weeks?
Yeah.
So take that $5,000 a month, right? Yeah. You keep after the lead by 10,000. Technically, to the carriers, 70% will stay on, so 30% will fall off. Give or take, keep maybe $7,000 after the chargeback. You gotta rewrite. So $7,000 is all you bring home. Don't know if you got bills, but if you got 4K in bills, you keep $2,000. You keep $2,000.
Right.
$2,000 doing fucking sales, and then with these fuckheads all fucking day, I would kill myself.
He's not incorporating gas and all the.
Go fucking clock back in at that point. There's no fucking point. Like 20K was told to me the top number. Like, and then you start writing $40,000, basically double this. You get to keep 30 to fucking 35.
That's the goal. That's the idea. That's what I'm not settling for 20.
And for these motherfuckers, these two who want to build a team, I've been talking to Anthony about it. But bro, fucking, you guys have to write $40,000 to fucking build. As in like all the shit you have to fucking build, as in these low lock-ins, buying the leads, even investing in your downline and shit, buying fucking dinners. I make money, but boy, I fucking spend making money. It's fucking all right now. Like at this level, all you do is buy cash flow. If you want to grow a huge team, you just buy in the cash flow. Or you could be the agent who writes 20, 40 grand, don't want to grow a team, be a single producer. You keep your fucking 30 grand. My goal is to get to fucking $500 million a year. So I'm going to fucking, everything I'm spending goes back to business. Like I only pay myself what, $1,000 a week, not even? I'm fucking dirt poor. Randomly, do I buy these motherfuckers? Fucking every blue moon. Fucking, I carry a bonus just pay for my fucking shoes. Like, it's that simple to me. That's how I fucking do it. Other than that, 40 grand a month, I'm just buying this shit to keep fucking building and get more people into the fucking door. And then I gotta get them paid. And some agents, if they're like me, they started with fucking no money. You gotta help fund their fucking leads for a little bit. But you also have to structure that to where it's like if I'm fucking investing, you're gonna fucking work. Or it could be like, if they're from a different state, yo, can you fly down here? I'll pay for it. You can stay at the Airbnb over here. I'll fucking pay for it. And I'll buy you leads for, give me 30 days. That's what y'all should be doing. Which is why you need to do the 40 grand a month. Because people will believe in it if they can afford it. So like, I don't mind helping people. Like, if they are a different state, I'm like, yo, can you fly down to me? I'll pay for your fucking plane ticket. I'll pay for you to stay at Airbnb. And you're gonna lock in with me every fucking day. So that means like y'all gotta be next to somebody every fucking day. Yo, you're gonna dial with me. You're gonna run by yourself. We're gonna get you paid. And then 30 days, yo, bro, you got paid $5 grand. That's all. And that's all profit. Take the $5 grand, go and reinvest. You were already poor before you started insurance. You're still poor.
Yeah,
Go fucking reinvest, buddy. That $5,000, go fucking reinvest it, bro. Like, that's...
straight up, I'm still broke. My wife the other day, she doesn't have access to all my accounts. She wanted to look at our Chase travel points to do like a trip. She saw my bank account, she's like, you have all this money in there? I'm like, that's not money. That's the church's money, buddy.
That's also something y'all have to learn is...
That's the fucking church.
Y'all gonna have to learn how to manage your money in insurance. Because once you start depositing 15, 20, 30 grand, you're gonna see the money and be like, oh, I got so much money.
I don't have to work.
But then you ain't got so much fucking leads, tell you that part.
No, you don't. You do have to work today.
Yeah, or you got...
It's my
We
age.
just had this conversation because we've been doing this. We had this conversation last night because Travis was saying we can take 3 days off a week. I'm like, no, you can't. Monica said you can take a week off. I'm like, where are you that you can take?
I don't even take 3 days off a week.
No.
I'm like,
I
we
don't.
have our Sunday. I'm like, that's fine. Like,
Then eventually you can make it to where you don't have to run Saturday.
right. And I said, that's okay. I'm like, if you are taking 3 days off a week, if you're gonna have to spend more money, you're wasting more time because even if you have leads, you're gonna have to spend a day that you're supposed to be running, calling. Like, that doesn't add up at all.
I want you to watch 3 days off a week. If it's a run day or a sell day, just watch the leaderboard that day. While you're on fucking at home doing whatever, but like, damn, this motherfucker just made 3 grand. I could at least made $1,000 today on this fucking Saturday. At least I could have fucking done. The least. So like, if you want to stay home 3 days a week, or he does, tell him like, yo, watch the leaderboard.
Well, he just said once at some point. I'm like, once we're there and we've been making consistently $40,000 a month. Like, yeah, we can.
Nah, what I like to do-
But you're restarting it.
What I like to do,
Take a day.
I'm gonna hire her, I'm gonna hire him, and him to pay for my Saturday off.
Boom.
I'm gonna teach him. Now it ain't right away. I'm gonna teach her how to fucking do that. So if I get paid $1,000 for her fucking month, that's my one Saturday off a month that I take off now. Then he's my second Saturday off. He's my fucking third. If I want every Saturday off, I gotta get a fourth. But also that takes time. You gotta build them up. It ain't just fucking free. I don't just hire her and she just fucking sells.
That's probably where James is getting his lock.
Yeah, you also gotta reinvest into her in the beginning. You're buying that shit. You're buying your time back.
It's even more money because then you have to keep yourself afloat.
Embarrassing.
Like when I bought your leads, I bought like 3K leads.
Yeah, and insurance in the first year for both of y'all, even for her right now, you're not gonna see it. The first 2's gonna be the hardest because you're gonna be building the business, so you don't get your advance, you don't get the renewals. Then you get hit 10, 11, 12. Like for me, it'd be like your 10, 11, 12 now can buy your leads if you do it right. So now everything I write now is profit because my 10, 11, 12 pay for that. So now you guys have to focus on writing enough business today. So in months 10, 11, 12, you guys fucking use that for your fucking leads. And then you hire somebody, they're fucking 10, 11, 12s, paid for your day off or whatever it is. If you can structure it like that, where like, yo, if I hire this person, and it's not fucking like hiring people to fucking pay for your lifestyle, but in a way it fucking is. But it's like, it's not, because you're like, all right, if you want to grow a team. If you don't want to grow a team, you have to structure it to like, how much business can I write to pay for me to take days off? Like to where every day you wake up to deposit. Like every day I get at least I don't care if it's a fucking dollar. I get like $1 a day minimum, something. But that comes with 3 years now. And you'll notice in your 10, 11, 12s, what months you slacked in. Because your 10, 11, 12s are gonna fucking tell you. Damn, last month I got $2 grand in 10, 11, 12. This month I got fucking $200. I either took time, so remember, the time you take off today, and fucking 9 months, that deposit's gonna stop too. Especially when you probably fucking need it. Because now you're investing so much money in the business in 9 months. She probably can't wait for 10, 11, 12s. She fucking needs them. It's like, fuck. Finally, I got an extra $500 in my bank account from 10, 11, 12. That can pay for my fucking light bill, my fucking new leads. And now the new business I just wrote just paid me to keep profit now. The 10, 11, 12 pay for my leads. Like, I get like Sika pays me like $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month in leads. That's like 2 weeks of my leads already paid for. And renewals. It's like guaranteed money. I'm not gonna charge back. That bought my fucking leads.
So what does your life look like, ideally? I want this for Anthony and you.
Mine right now?
No, what does your life look like in 10 years from now? Where do
And
you
what?
expect yourself? Where do you accept?
In 10 years, I'm fucking done.
That's
Bro,
real.
we're
10 years, before 10 years, I'm fucking done.
Yeah,
Like,
definitely where John.
I'm not retiring. For me, I don't want to retire. I want to keep growing the team, but I want to be where this lady, him, her, are like on a level that I was at some point, or at my same level where I don't have to work. Now I can go into this business. I bought my time back. By the time I'm fucking 30, I can chill at the fucking beach.